Yeah, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to link your retirement accounts to Klover. So let's get straight into it. Linking your retirement accounts to Klover is a pretty simple process, and that's going to allow you to track your retirement savings all in one place. So yeah, and here's a step-by-step guide on how to do that. So first thing you want to do is to log into your Klover account. You can do that on the mobile app, or you could do that on the official website. So once you're logged into your account, you're going to want to click on retirement and then select link an account. Now you want to enter your retirement account information, including of course the account number and the routing number, and then you want to verify your retirement account information to make sure all of that is correct, and then submit that. Once that's done, you gotta wait for Klover to sync your retirement account data to the Klover system. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to link your retirement accounts to Klover. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.